Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. So, in this video, I'll not be talking about gold, I'll not be talking about Euro, USD, DXY, or any other charts. In this video, I'll be discussing about the upcoming workshop. Probably you guys have already got the idea from the thumbnail of the video. I have received many questions regarding the workshop, so I'll be trying to answer all the questions here. Okay, first of all, my dear friends, it's one of the most, I believe it's the most affordable forex trading workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. I conduct this workshop in both Hindi and English language. Okay. So dates for Hindi sessions are different, dates for English sessions are different. One of the most common question that I have received is that, sir, are these live sessions or pre-recorded sessions? My dear friends, these are live sessions. But in case you fail to join because of the time difference, then obviously I'll be having the recording also. Then you can watch the recording. Okay. Because I know it very well that many of you are interested, but because of the time difference, you cannot attend. Okay, but still you don't need to worry because I record each and every session because of the time difference. You can watch the recording later and ask me questions. Obviously, I'll be trying to resolve the queries, okay, over WhatsApp. But if I see that the problem requires a detailed explanation, then obviously, okay, you'll be getting your queries resolved in our weekly sessions. And many of you also have asked me that, sir, I won't be able to attend this workshop. When is the next date? My dear friends, okay, I have not decided yet because I try to conduct these sessions after every 2 or 3 months. So I'm conducting this workshop in the month of September. So you can expect that the next workshop will be around in the month of December or by next year. Okay. And a few of you have asked me, so what is the difference between the Pro Trader program and the workshop? My dear friends, the workshop is part of the Pro Trader program. If you go to my website, you will see that I have mentioned the benefits of joining the Pro Trader program. So after the 3 days workshop, you will be receiving all the benefits for 1 month. And the reason behind 1 month support after 3 days workshop is that so that you don't feel lost, so that you can understand that how to proceed in the market. As a result, okay, I try to provide regular market analysis, updates, trade setups, news, everything, so that you know how to proceed in the market. And as I have already shown you guys that my story is mentioned on the website so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And as I have already told you guys a couple of times that this workshop is not for beginners. Okay, if you don't know what is charts, what is support, what is resistance, don't know any pattern, then obviously this workshop is not for you. This workshop has been designed only for those people who know about the technicals but still unable to make money for months and years. Okay, so in simple words, those who have been losing in the market, okay, this workshop has been designed for them only. And these are the topics that we'll be discussing in the 3 days workshop. And if you go through the topics, then you'll see that I have not talked about any secret strategy or any hi-fi something. Okay, because to make money in the market, you don't need to know secret stuff. Those who have been trading for months and years, you know it very well that there is no secret strategy in the market. Everything is right in front of us. Okay, and to become a consistent profitable trader, okay, the most important thing that you need is discipline, risk management. So in this workshop, we'll be talking about discipline, risk management, market sentiment, how to understand the body language of the market, what are the mistakes that we have been making for all these months and years. Hopefully, okay, you'll be getting your answers in the workshop because we have received huge number of appreciation emails, WhatsApp messages, okay, right after the work in a from a previous workshop where people have stated that they have really changed their whole game. And my dear friends, right after the 3 days workshop, okay, you'll be having weekly sessions also. These are the topics that we'll be discussing in our workshop. To be honest, okay, you don't need to learn each and everything in the market. It is not possible to learn each and everything in the market. So I have only covered only those topics which are sufficient enough to make you a profitable trader. So if you go through the topics carefully, then you'll see that these topics are capable enough, okay, to make you survive in the market. Okay, and as I have already stated that the dates are 6, 7, 8 which is starting from tomorrow, the Hindi classes, and English classes are starting from 11th of September, 11th, 12th, and 13th. The timing is mentioned here, and the classes are conducted through Google Meet. Okay, so once after the payment, okay, I'll be adding you to our WhatsApp group and the Telegram groups. You'll be receiving all the updates from me on the WhatsApp group. So the Google Meet link for the class, okay, you'll also receive in the WhatsApp group only. Okay, and this is the WhatsApp number where you need to, okay, share the screenshot of the payment. And as I have already stated in my earlier videos also, that the best part is the fees here. You can see 3 days workshop with 1 month support is only $15, rupees 1000 for Indians, and these are the benefits that you will be receiving in the 1 month. And many of you are wondering why the fees is so less. In fact, one of the most common question that I always receive in before each and every workshop is, sir, why the fees is so less? Are these pre-recorded lessons? Well, the truth is, okay, the fees is very less because I'm not a course seller like others, so I do not charge thousands of dollars because I am a trader. Okay, I know the pain, okay, the pain of not able to afford a learn. I used to teach for free couple of years ago, but that was the worst decision of my life because one thing I realized very well, that free stuff doesn't get the respect. Okay, I was losing my dignity. Okay, people used to make me wait for hours. They used to use bad language. Okay, so it was the worst decision. And one more thing that I realized is that our subconscious mind also doesn't take okay, free stuff seriously. So if we pay for something, then obviously our brain gets activated, okay, and it takes things pretty serious. So as a result, okay, I started charging a very nominal fees so that every genuine person can afford. Okay, and obviously trading is a journey. It requires time. There is no shortcut in the market. In the workshop also, I will clearly tell you guys that there is no shortcut in the market. Okay, it needs time. So those who are looking for guidance, mentorship, or those who are looking for personal sessions, okay, you can obviously sign up for semi-annual program and lifetime support, okay, which are also extremely affordable. You can see here the semi-annual is available for only $65, 4,000 for Indians, and these are the benefits that you'll be getting. 2 personal sessions with me to clear doubts, to ask me questions. So those who will be subscribing for the semi-annual or lifetime support, you don't need to worry if you cannot attend a session also, because after watching the recordings, if you feel that you are unable to understand, there are some questions that you want to ask me personally, obviously we can catch up one-on-one on Google Meet again. And those who will be signing up for lifetime support, okay, you'll be getting regular market analysis, updates, trade setups, everything for lifetime. You don't need to worry. And you'll also be getting 6 personal sessions with me. Everything is mentioned on the website. Feel free to go through. Okay, and these are the payment methods. Okay, right after payment, just share the screenshot to the WhatsApp number here. You will be added to the group immediately. Bye bye, take care. Thank you so much for everything.